But I love him, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Guys, burger joint. Best burgers to see. Shopping bar over there. That's kind of what I usually do. Get a plain Jane, and then I put mushrooms and all that on it. Yeah, that's what I like to do. This is the coolest guy's burger ever. That's a great sign. We're at Guy's Burgers. Best burgers to see. Just gotta get a double. The fries are seasoned and they are so amazing. Now try the burger. 10 out of 10. Absolutely delicious. Good stuff. Scotty's a magician. He made it all disappear. The elephant got a new friend today. I think he's a bear. What do y'all think? Bear? Got kind of pointy ears like a kitty cat, but I think it's a bear. It's so cute. Angela coming back on board. Derek and Gregory. Wonder if they'd see me if I wave at them. Here comes some more. Everybody get on the ship. Time to go. It's almost time to leave this beautiful, beautiful port of Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. They're working on pulling up the gangway now. So Scotty, what did you think of Amber Cove?
It was awesome.
It really was. I can't get over the big pool is there for free. It's just amazing. Here they go, folding it up. Okay, we're moving. Look at the swirl.
Yeah, I know.
Bye-bye, Amber Cove. It was fun, and you are beautiful. I love the windmills over there.
Wind turbines.
It's so cool. I don't know if you can see them. See if I can zoom in. Yeah, you can see them there. 4:49 p.m. Day 3. This is where we are. Oh, did you see the dolphin over there? There was a dolphin that jumped up right over there.
There's birds flying.
Yeah. We saw some of those white birds, didn't we? Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Gorgeous. Limelight Lounge.
I guess it had a lot. Look at this shirt.
There's a rainbow, y'all. Yeah, it started just pouring down rain a few minutes ago. And now we have a rainbow.
Doing a little bit of rain and man, got a beautiful rainbow. We're getting ready to run into some rain.
Let's see the other side of it here. Rainbow at sea. How beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.